Construction management software, also known as CMS, is a sure way to supercharge your construction business, but you need to have a complete understanding of it first. What is construction management software? Unfortunately, there's plenty of contractors out there losing money on projects because they simply aren't being as efficient as they should be. That's where CMS comes into play. CMS is a suite of programs that automates various parts of your construction business to increase efficiency. And when efficiency is achieved, costs are reduced and profits are increased. CMS offers a variety of features such as organizing and tracking workers, clients, projects, documents, and equipment. It can increase communication between you, your clients, and your project team. Oh, and it can even help you get new clients too. A special breed of software. There's all sorts of business management software out there, but construction projects require specific features that only CMS offers. To review these features, as well as how to utilize each, let's take a task as simple as building a patio as an example. Customer management and marketing. A prospective customer contacts you for a quote on building a patio. You enter their information, name, address, phone number, email address, into the system. And of course, you ask how they heard about your company, so you can gauge how well a recent marketing campaign is working. Employee and fleet management. One of your employees drives one of your trucks out to a prospective customer's home to get details about the patio. Now, when another customer calls for another project, you and your team understand that one of your trucks and one of your employees are unavailable. Job costing and document management. Your worker gathers the necessary information about the job, such as the patio surface area and whether or not they want to stain the concrete. A sketch is then created and emailed along with a quote to the customer. Job scheduling. After a week, your CMS reminds you to follow up with a customer and you close the deal. Then you schedule the job and enter that into your CMS calendar. Inventory, equipment, and tool management. Before the job, you need to plan. This might include hiring or scheduling specific workers, leasing or scheduling a concrete truck, buying material, or acquiring specific tools for the job, all of which should be tracked in the CMS. Safety management. Prior to dispatching workers to the job, you hold a toolbox talk, which includes the procedure for pouring concrete. Then you distribute the PPE required for the job to the workers. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.